What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Stream on Twitch Using Desktop. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how you can stream on Twitch using your desktop. Begin by opening your browser and type in twitch.tv. Click Enter to go into their platform. Proceed to sign into your account. You may easily make an account by clicking Sign Up if you don't have one yet. And don't worry because this is for free. Once you're logged in, click the Your Account tab here, select Settings, select Channel and Videos, and click Stream to begin the streaming process. As you can see, this is the principal stream key. Just copy the primary stream key and go to Screen Manager, open your OBS, and click on Settings. Go to Stream on the Service tab. Select Twitch as a streaming platform. Once you've selected Twitch, click on Use Stream Key and paste the principal stream key you copied on Twitch. After that, click Apply and OK. And there, you are now ready to go live once you click on Start Streaming. You may now stream whatever you want to showcase on Twitch. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.